Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make bluebell color. For this we need some white color, purple color, cobalt blue color, some water, a brush and a container. So let's get started. For this we'll need 1 part of cobalt blue hue color, 1 part or half part of purple color, and mix all these. And after that we will need 2 parts of white color and mix with these colors. Very well. And here is our bluebell color. Let me show it to you by applying on paper. So here it is. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.